I am Nikhil Ranjan from Banwara. My best country is India.
I am Ankit Kumar from Chikswaradi. My best subject is English.
I am Chandni Kumari from Fatul Marathi. My best class teacher is Sonali Miss.
I am Soni Kumari from Bhusan Vigha. My best color is pink. I am Ava Kumari from Jammuara. My best class teacher is Gayatri Miss.
I am Sunny Kumar from Jammuara. My best teacher. I am Sarvan Kumar from Becuvigha. My best subject is science. I am Kaushal Kumar from Becuvigha. My best class teacher is Sheetal Miss.
I am Sweetie Kumari from Marwa. My best class teacher is Pinky Madam.
I am Ansu Kumari from Koniapar. My best class teacher is Neha Miss.